I am so excited about this HydroFast C100. This is a countertop water filter. There are so many things that are great about this, but one, there was no installation needed. I honestly took it out of the box, set it on the counter, and plugged it in. It was ready to go. And it has a 6-stage water filtration system. So I know that we're getting the cleanest, purest water. It also has a FCC certification and an EPA certification. So you know that they're actually cleaning out all of the contaminants that we are worried about. For example, like all the minerals, the fluoride, microplastics. I'm a nurse, my husband's a doctor, so we really like to make sure that we have the best, cleanest water that we can, and we want to reduce the waste on our planet. So let's take an up-close look at the HydroFast right here. This is the screen. This is where all the information that you are ever going to need is going to be. So what it has here is it's going to have all of these icons, and then it's going to have buttons here. So this flush and cold are actually a button too. And it's really nice because it comes with a sheet that's going to tell you all the different buttons, how they work, what you need to use them for, and the icons as well. So right here is where the lack of water one will turn on. Luckily, we have enough water in here. So this icon is the UV sterilization. When it's solid, it means that's complete. If it's blinking, it means it's in the process. This larger number here, this is the raw water TDS indicator. So it's going to tell us what the quality of the tap water is. This number right here, and this is when it's on standby. This number right here is going to tell us what the TDS or the quality of the purified water is. So you can see it. Large difference here. This is going to show us how full our pure water tank is. This icon right here is the filter cartilage life indicator. So it's going to tell you how long it has remaining in the lifespan. These filters are great. They're supposed to last for up to 12 months, which is insane. This really is such like a low maintenance machine and can give you pure clean water. It's absolutely amazing. So that is really great to know as well. Then we have our 4 buttons here. This is going to be the volume that you want to dispense. So it goes all the way down to 100 mils and can go all the way up to 600 mils. This is going to be, when you click it, it's going to tell you what the current temperature is. And when you want ambient, that means you want more of room temperature water. If you want an ice water, you're going to press the cold and it will tell you the current temperature of the water that you have. Let's dispense some water. I've got my glass cup here and we're going to set, let's say I want ice cold water and I want the volume to be, let's do 250 mils. We'll have our cold water set. It will tell you the current temperature for the ice water. And go ahead and dispense. You can see here it's going to count up to tell you how many mils it's already dispensed until we get to our set number. The filtered water is just so good. I hate Texas tap water, especially. It has a smell and a taste, and I can't tell anything. This tastes just like filtered water. There's zero taste. It's clean, it's fresh, it's so good. So if you're tired of bottled water and not having a solution, the HydroFast C100 is your solution, and I'd highly recommend checking it out.